Well, hi everyone, this is my review of the Paltrin Precision Pin Vise Drill set. And this is quite a neat little product, and I'm going to tell you some of the pros and cons about it. Why do you need a pin vise drill anyway? Obviously for putting small holes into models or whatever you're building, when you don't need a great big power drill. Maybe you haven't owned a big drill set. And this is a useful little thing for drilling some precision holes, and they come in different little configurations. This one's got a swivel at the top, which means you can actually use it one-handed, and you put the drill pieces in the top there. That unscrews. You can slot that in and out. Now, with this set, you get 25 drill bits, which is quite good to get you off and running, ranging from this very slender one here, which is 0.6 of a millimeter, and it ranges up to a quite big fat one here of 2.5 mils. Now, when you're using, a bit of a tip here, when you're using a drill like this, don't push down too hard, because you can easily snap these. You've got a few spares, but you'll find the right pressure to do it, and it should just work. These are quite sharp, and I've been quite impressed with that. Now, this is dirt cheap, so if you're in a situation where you just want to try out what happens with a pin vise, this is a good option to buy. And also, if you don't like it in the end and you want to buy a slightly more expensive one, and you can do so, but you can get to keep the drill bits, which is quite fun. So that's my only reservation. It's perhaps a little bit harder to use, but if you're working on one project and you just want to try it out. Now, they're useful for putting holes, or if you're kit bashing, if you're maybe your sword's fallen off or something like that, and you put a new arm on a model, and then you can drill a little hole there, or if you want to attach something, or some people use it for strengthening. So if your model is holding a great big something or other, put a drill hole into the shoulder, drill hole into the arm, and then put a tiny little bit of metal there. Just gives it some extra strength. Now, I will do a little hole here just to show you that it does work. So focus in on here, and I'm just going to do it straight into the table. As you can see the plastic curling up there now as we drill. And that should be just, oh, I've got it on the other side. So there we are. Nice, fine hole through there. So if you're just doing a few projects, I do think this is a good buy, and at the price, it's a no-brainer if you don't have one of these in your toolbox, and then play around with it. Perhaps move on to another one at a later point, but a great first pin vise drill bit.